Why hello, it's your gal Dimply Bean back at it again with some more content. Before I get into today's look, I wanted to give a little bit of explanation. As you all know, the beauty industry can be quite, how should I say this, set-minded. If you don't look like the idealistic version of beauty, if you don't do your hair or makeup in a certain way, then you're viewed as unattractive. I don't like this. To me, makeup is a form of self-expression. Your hair is a reflection of you. Ultimately, you are you, and nothing you apply or change about yourself should ever deviate from that. To me, wearing makeup is an art, a reflection of my own creativity, and I couldn't care less whether people find that attractive or not. But my problem is, I'm never sure if that mindset is reflected in my work. Do people always know that this is my art? And that's why I wanted to do this video. I wanted to take something that isn't seen as attractive and show you how that view could be changed. Are pimples, acne, dark circles, liver spots, dry skin beautiful? Are visible veins beautiful? Why are things like freckles seen as cute, whereas acne is seen as not? Maybe I'll make this into a series if enough people want it, but for now, I just wanted to show you that imperfections are beautiful. So anyways, onto the video. So first things first, priming my skin. I'm using the Siero All Day Primer and applying this all over my face and neck with my fingers. Next, I'm taking my BT21 VT foundation. Look at how cute this packaging is! And applying it to my face using a damp beauty blender. Now I'm using my Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer and applying it to my nose tip, cupid's bow, sides of my mouth, jawline, and under my eyes. Blending it all out using a beauty blender. Next, I'm taking my Glossier Cloud Paint Blush in Puff and applying it just above my cheekbone, nose tip, and cupid's bow and blending it out. Using my Chica Chico matte and powder and a fluffy brush, I set my face. To make my cheekbones pop, I'm going to apply a touch of my NYX Matte Bronzer underneath the cheekbones using a contour brush. Next, I'm using my Babyface Petite Highlighter and applying it all over the areas I applied my blush. Next, onto my eyes. I'm using my Revolution Pro Regenerations Astrological palette and using the shade Parallax and an angled flat brush. I'm applying it as a point flowing outwards from my outer eye to create a foxy-eyed effect. To highlight, I'm using the same palette. I'm taking the shade Exoplanet and applying this to my brow bone and inner eye corner. Apply a little bit of mascara and the eye makeup is done. I'm applying OnDay Lipping Gold Flower Lip Glow first before topping it with my e.l.f. Prismatic Lip Gloss in Amethyst. Now onto the fun part, the veins. I decided to use cream-based face paint and mix them into pastel tones. You can use whatever colors you'd like, whether that would be realistic or unrealistic veins. It is your art and therefore your choice. Using a very thin brush, you can use craft brushes for this. I'm softly applying each color in a wiggly motion. My best advice when drawing veins is to hold the brush loosely in your fingers. Avoid doing harsh straight lines and keep it flowy and gentle before gradually building them up. If you are planning to wear this for a full day, then be sure to set your cream paints using a setting powder. And there we have it, a beautiful, imperfect pastel look. As always, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. If you would like to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you'd like to see me make this into an imperfect beauty series. And in the meantime, I hope you all have a lovely week and I'll see you all next Saturday. Bye!